Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most fascinating gadgets in the world of technology, drones. Over the years, the market has produced some amazing drones with breathtaking features that have made flying an incredible experience. The mere fact that these unmanned aircraft can fly at designated heights, speed, and take amazing pictures gives us an adrenaline rush like no other. So, we've compiled for you the top 5 drones in the world. So let's get started. At number 5, we have the DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is equipped with a 20-megapixel camera that can capture 4K video and still images, making it perfect for professional photographers and videographers. Its object avoidance technology and 30-minute flight time make it ideal for commercial usage as well. Next on our list is the unique Typhoon H+. What makes this drone fascinating is its ability to switch to a task mode and autonomously fly around a predetermined area. This drone is known for its quick and easy setup, 3-axis gimbal-mounted camera that captures 4K video and 20-megapixel stills. Coming in at number 3 is the DJI Mavic Pro 2. With a 20-megapixel Hasselblad camera, 8 km transmission range and boosted flight time up to 31 minutes. This drone is perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts. Its high-precision obstacle sensing system makes flying safer and easier for pilots, allowing for smooth glides and sudden stops when needed. At number 2 on our list is the Autel Robotics X-Star Premium. One of the X-Star Premium's most significant selling points is its 4K Ultra HD camera that captures footage from all angles with its 90-degree FOV and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. It also has a maximum flight time of 25 minutes and an operational range of 1.2 miles. Last but not least, at number 1, the DJI Inspire 2. This drone has a unique combination of features that allow it to capture incredible cinematic footage, up to 5.2K at 60 frames per second, with a 15-stop dynamic range. The Inspire 2's smart flight modes, obstacle avoidance systems, dual cameras, and a whopping 27 minutes of maximum flight time make it a game-changer in the drone market. That wraps up our video. Our top 5 drones in the world. These drones are not only top of the line in terms of performance, but they are also incredibly fun and engaging gadgets to fly. We hope that you found this list informative and helpful. Which drone do you think should have made the cut? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Bye for now.